video. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Nikita aka La Juliet. And no, it's not La Juliet, it's La Juliet. So today it's another new day. It's a Saturday, it's the weekend, and I love weekend. It's my favorite time to just relax and bond along with my friends. So yeah, it's 9 a.m. It's a Saturday morning, and to all my Indian friends and Indian subscribers, happy Ganesh Chaturthi. And for all my non-Indian friends, Ganesh Chaturthi is another festival in India, so happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you as well. Firstly, I would like to thank you guys for my last video. I received an incredible amount of support from everyone. I'm so very thankful and happy that you guys liked my first video. So I decided to get along with it and shoot another one for you. And I'm so sorry, a lot of you guys have been also sending me messages saying that Nikita, we wanted to have you in front of the scenes, in front of the video. So I just thought like my first video is going to be a little more kind of candid, and that's why I wanted to go with the flow. But then again, there's always scope for improvements. I'm so happy that you guys told me that, and now I just wanted to come in front of the video. And yeah, this is not going to be a chatty one, but just a little introduction, which is what you guys wanted to know. So this is going to be another video, and if you can guess from the title, I don't know what the title is going to be at this point, so I'll have to think about that. But then this is going to be another adventurous kind of video, but here's the twist. So this is not going to be like last time, like it was going to be like random and going to be sporty. So I'm going to give you guys a few seconds just to guess what I am going to do today. So I'm going to give you like a few seconds right there. Okay, nope, your answer is wrong. We are not going trekking, we are not going hiking, but we are going, any guesses guys? Any guesses? Come on. Okay, so we are going grocery shopping. I know a lot of you guys will be like, ew, no, that's not something adventurous, but so if you guys are following me on Instagram, which you should have, my handle is down below, so go and check my Instagram page. I have been saying a lot that I do not get time on the weekdays. It is usually on the weekends that I like to do my stuff. So same goes with groceries, and I'm sure most of you guys can relate with that. I love to run errands on the weekends because that's where I have a lot of spare time and I can get stuff done. On the weekdays it's really hustle. So I'll be running my groceries, and mind you guys, if you are following and you must have seen my stories, I said that I am not free on the weekdays. I did not get time to get my groceries, which I usually get every week, but this time it was just too much the last few weeks. So you can say that I've not got my groceries for almost like a week and a half. So yeah, it'll be a lot of stuff. And if you guys are wondering what is this, so this is a post-workout snack. I would say it's 9 a.m. but kind of like a brekkie / snack. It has oats in it. It's like rolled oats, overnight oats. I have oats in it, I have chia seeds, and I just added a bit of protein powder to it. So this is just going to be a quick snack because I was like super hungry, and you know how guys it is just so tough to go about your day without having something. I do not drink coffee that much, and I'm sure most of you guys were wondering like, oh, am I a coffee person? But no guys, I'm not a coffee person. I'm more of a tea person. So I love tea. Even if you guys are again following me on Instagram, I have been posting a lot of tea sachets and all those nice stuff. So please go follow me on Instagram. So today, as I said, we are going for grocery shopping, and I got a lot of messages from my friends and my followers on Instagram, and even the messages that I got personally. They said that Nikita, you've been on this whole fitness journey. How are you doing this? So if you guys know me personally, you all will know that I was not into all this. It's been like recently? It's been like a little more than 9 months now that I've been into this whole fitness thing. So I'm pretty new to it as well. I'm learning along the way, but if you guys need any help with that, I'm more than happy to just share my expertise 30s, whenever you want to get into the whole healthy eating, I'm sure there is a lot of you who just quickly snack on stuff, and I don't blame you. Like, I'm the one who does that as well. So if you guys feel like you are snacking too much, you need to make sure that the food that you're getting into your house are healthy stuff. So it all boils down to what you get from your groceries, and that's why I'm going to share with you guys what are the things that I personally love to purchase, and that's how I try to maintain my healthy diet as well, while also keeping a very busy schedule. I'm not also free on the weekends, but I try to make time for all this stuff, but it gets really very complicated when you have to balance a fitness, healthy life, and all the other stuff in between. So today I'm going to share with you some of my tricks and techniques of what I do to kind of stay in that healthy zone. So let's get into that. Also guys, I want you to stay till the end of this video, because I have an amazing announcement for you guys. I've been working on this for like more than 5 months now, and it's like a crazy project. I've been dropping hints as well. I'm sure when this video goes live, I think my project is going to go live as well. I think so, but don't quote me on that. So yeah, I mean, this is a very massive project guys, and means a lot to me. So please stick till the end of the video, and I'm going to share that with you. So without any much more blabbering, as I said in my last video, I blabber so much, but I love to share guys. So yeah, this is just me, a little introduction, and yeah, let's get into the video.
I begin to
So I love to buy avocados because they are rich in fats, but I do not like to buy the one in the mashed bags. But this time I decided to go with it simply because it was on sale. I usually like to get this one, but seems like they have jacked up the prices of the individual one, so I got the one in the mashed bag. So I love quinoa because they're very high in protein. So this one, that's the black quinoa, is higher in protein. It has around 14 grams per serving, which is a huge amount of protein, as opposed to the red quinoa, which is, I guess, a little less protein. I guess it is 7 grams if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it is 7 grams, which is again not a big deal, but I would usually go for the black quinoa just to add in your salads. It's a really nice source of protein. Again, I love lentils. This is one of my favorite aisles, you guys. I spend a lot of time here just deciding on which lentil to buy. It's really good source of protein, especially for all my vegetarian friends, and a good staple that Indians love to use in their food. So here we have a variety of lentils and pulses that
you get here. My personal favorite would be the chickpeas because they are really yum, and I love to make my curries with them just to go along with chapatis, or either lentils, that is red lentils, to make my dal. I love them. It's really yum, and if you give it a good spices, it's really nice. So yeah, I just love this aisle, and you can always mix up different lentils and pulses to make different dishes. And I love this aisle, but just that I don't visit this aisle that much. I love the Kit Kat ice cream. So yes, guys, this is the ice cream aisle, but I do not buy anything from here. I do not eat too much ice cream because it has too much of sugar. Of course, you can go for the sugar-free one, but I love to come and just watch them and kind of satisfy my visuals. But yeah, this is another favorite. I've started liking soya milk, or even almond milk for that matter, simply because it's really nice and I like the texture. But then also, it's not that I do not drink regular dairy milk, but I started liking soy milk and almond milk as well. Silk is one of my favorite brands. Yeah. This aisle is dedicated to my mom because she loves this aisle, especially because of the egg section. But I love the cheese section. That is my favorite. I love cheese, you guys. But I eat very little cheese. I love the shredded ones, to be honest. If you see me on my Instagram post, I put a lot of cheese on my veggie omelette. Sometimes I like to use the sliced ones, but most specifically, I love the Tex-Mex shredded cheese, which you can just easily add that on any of your toppings. But this one is dedicated to my mom. She loves this aisle. So this one is for you, mom.
Hey guys, I just got home. Oh my gosh, it was so hot outside, but I won't complain because I'm living in a cold country, so having sunshine is kind of like a blessing, and I am grateful for that. So yeah, it was really hot. It was, I guess, in 30s. I'm not really sure, but usually so in the winters the temperature, it goes down to -20, -30, it just depends. So I'm kind of grateful, and the weather, we just kind of embrace it. We like to get tan and just be in the sun, so that's really nice. But it was really hot, and also there were a lot of people. Since it's a Saturday, everyone likes to run their errands on a Saturday or on the weekends, so it was really very crowded, I would say. So it was very difficult to film. People were just looking at us kind of really very awkward, and I've never done that before, so it was like weird talking to the camera. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I bought, and I'm just going to give you a little bit tips here and there of what you could do. So it's always nice to kind of purchase your stuff, your groceries, have it planned down, like have it jotted down so that you know what you're purchasing. And please do not go on empty stomach, because then you start wasting a lot of time and you buy all unnecessary stuff. I did that today. I mean, I just had in the morning I had that oats, rolled oats, but the thing is I was in a hurry, so I just had like 2-3 spoons of that, and I was very hungry and I started buying. So I bought snacks, guys. I bought this cheese crackers, which I usually do not get, but I just wanted to try it out, and it's fine to get some things that are not healthy. So I'll show you guys quickly what are the things that I purchased, and probably the things that I purchased. I bought some walnuts because I love to have nuts in my food. I bought baby cucumbers. I bought some bell pepper, and then I bought my purple cabbage, because if you are following me on Instagram, you will see that I have a lot of purple cabbage in my food. I'm a big fan of pasta. This time I tried to use to get the this one. I usually get the linguine. I bought some semolina because I wanted to make something of them, and that will be in the next video. I bought some semolina, and guys, you should do this. Like, I love baby carrots. I will snack on them like every other day. This will I will go through this like within 4 days. Just imagine, guys, this is like a big bag of baby carrots, but I love baby carrots. And then, as you saw, I bought some lentils, I bought chickpeas, and I bought green lentils because I love lentils a lot. And then I bought some avos. As I said in my video, guys, do not buy the one that is in mashed bags, but I had to bring them because it was on sale. And then I bought some vegetable oil for cooking. I love cilantro because it gives a nice flavor to the food, so I bought that. And then I also mentioned in my video previously not to buy, like, I mean, potatoes are nice, but see that you do not buy too much of them. I just bought 3 of the white potatoes. They are the baked potatoes, and this is yam sweet potatoes. I like to bake them and, you know, drizzle it with olive oil or bell pepper. Olive oil, pepper, and salt, and just like a quick snack. And then I bought pierogies. If you guys don't know what a pierogi is, it is kind of like momos, if you call it in India, but we call it pierogies. Kind of similar. You can cook it or you can bake it. I usually like to steam it because in that way you're not using much oil in that. That would be like a side snack. And the thing I was talking about is this thing, you guys. I don't know why I bought this, but I wanted to try it out. It is cheese crackers, and they do not have too many calories, so I decided just to like snack on them once in a while. But these are the few things. In fact, so that was about it, you guys. These are the things. So I did not show you everything, but previously I had also 2-3 days back I had already bought my veggies, so some of the things were already open, so I did not want to show you guys, but I bought a lot of veggies. But I usually try to aim to get, even if I'm buying say rotis or tortillas, I will try to see that they're the wheat ones or not the ones that are all purpose. I never buy all purpose flour. All the flours that I have in the house would be the ones that is made of wheat or probably chickpea flour, or either like semolina, which is also known as, I guess you call it rava in India, but it's semolina that I really love to use. I've not bought it for a while. I wanted to make something sweet of that. Again, in the morning I had mentioned that I tried, I ate rolled oats, and if you noticed, I did not say that I added sugar because I did not. Usually I do not like to add sugar in any of my things, but if at all you feel like just trying to have something sweet, I would suggest you to use maple syrup or honey, or even if you feel like going an extra mile, you can have brown sugar, but see that you're not having it every day. Apart from that, yeah, this was like a small grocery haul. I did not bring much of the things because I was like so exhausted. I wanted to get out of there. It was so crowded, so I just quickly picked whatever I could, and I tried to see that it was all healthy. If you can see, the snacks that I bought is like cucumber, carrots, just to quickly snack on, and if I feel even more hungry, I'll just bake sweet potatoes or so. So that was about that, and I usually do my groceries after 1 week or 2 weeks depending. I always like to buy a lot of fresh produce because I run through them like in a week, so I need to buy them every week. So that was about that. Yeah, so as I said, thank you guys for staying till the end of the video. I also was I mentioned in my video earlier that I am kind of going to make an announcement, so this is the time I'm going to make an announcement. So guys, I have been working on this thing really very long. It's been more than 4 months, I think 5 months, I guess, and I put in all my heart and soul into this. It is something very interesting, and I hope you guys like it. So I've launched my own website, and yes, I'm so excited about it. It is really close to me. So in that website there will be all my blogs, all my articles that I love to do, or things I like to read. So it will cover content like about fitness, health, career, about lifestyle, and all the good stuff. Since you know, if you're following me, again I keep saying that please go and follow me on Instagram. My handle is down below. Click on that and you will see that all my food that I make is all healthy. So I have a good experience with eating healthy food and just being into fitness. Secondly, you might ask me, why am I saying that I'm going to give a little bit inspiration, I guess, or kind of guidance in terms of career, is because, guys, if those of you who don't know me, I am a professional recruiter. I'm into HR, and so I have a lot of expertise in that area. So I think I would be able to do a good job in just helping. If you guys, the ones who are watching me right now, are job seekers, I'm a professional recruiter. So if you want to get any advice or tips, do go to my website. I've put in amazing, incredible articles on that, just about interviews and many things that will be lined up. So do keep an eye on that. I'm going to put the link of my website in the description down below, so do go and please follow that as well. Subscribe to that so that you get all my articles immediately as soon as I release them on my website. So that was the news, guys. That was the great launch that I was wanting to tell you guys. I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope I did justice to this video. It is a really short one, but I just wanted to create an impact. So I hope I did that. Please let me know if you are wanting to know more on any topics. Send me a message or just comment down below what was the best part you liked about this video and what are the things you want to see in my next video. I'll be more than happy to make something like that for you guys, or whatever you want. Or you can even send me a message on Instagram. I'm quite quick. That is what I say to myself. I'm quite quick in responding to messages. So please send me a message if you like this video. Also, if you feel you could relate to this, just the crowd and everything happening in the grocery store, do quickly like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, guys. Support me, support La Juliet, and do comment down below. So happy weekend.